Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 86 C10 here for you. It's about 40 degrees out this morning. It hasn't been started, fired right up. Fuel gauge probably is missing a ground. Usually when they do that, they're missing a ground. Fan works. Makes a little noise, but it works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn does not work. Wipers work. Power window works on the driver's side, a little slow. Doesn't work on the passenger side. Dome light works. Seems to run pretty good. I know we did a little tune up to it, fuel filter, spark plugs. There you go, it's got the jack. 5 liter in it, 305. It's all complete there, but like I said, it seems to run pretty smooth. Your headlights. Like I said, a project truck, but runs and drives. Yeah, none of the gauges seem to be working either. So 605-695-7391.